You've been lied to. Hard work is no longer the fastest way to win. In 2026, there's a system that makes effort feel unfair. You sit for hours, but remember nothing. You watch lectures, but forget everything. Your brain is not broken. Your system is. Because you were taught this. Study more equals learn more. But reality? More hours without direction just burns you out. Your brain doesn't reward effort. It rewards repetition, recall, relevance. Think of your brain like a muscle. You don't grow by lifting once. You grow by stressing, recovering, repeating. But here's the twist. Most people consume information. Winners retrieve it. That's the system. Not harder work, smarter loops. Stop studying everything. Study what matters. Use the 80/20 rule. Find the 20% that gives 80% results. Close the book. Ask yourself, what did I just learn? Struggle equals growth. Easy equals useless. Don't repeat today. Repeat tomorrow. Then again, later. Your brain remembers what you revisit. If you can't explain it, you don't understand it. Teach a friend or an imaginary audience. Clarity is power. In 2026, you don't study alone. You use AI to compress time, summaries, quizzes, flashcards. Now, you're not studying harder. You're running a system. Look around. Most people are still running harder, faster, longer. But you're climbing, step by step, system by system. Because success is not about effort anymore. It's about leverage. If you're still studying the old way, you're already behind. Start building your system today. And if you want, I'll show you exactly how to build this. Step by step. Follow now, before everyone else catches up.